Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 first look. So make sure to watch the full video. This motorcycle is a naked display of power and potency. It features a Milwaukee-Eight 114 motor that sends 118 foot-pound to torque to a meaty 180 millimeters Dunlop Harley-Davidson D429 rear tire. The inverted fork has cartridge internals, and a pair of 300 millimeters discs are ready to help slow the 2023 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 down as needed. Anti-lock braking system is optional. With 16-inch wheels and around 5 inches of suspended wheel travel at each end. The seat height is a casual 28 inches. A fist-forward flat bend handlebar is matched with defiant forward-mounted foot controls. The bobbed fenders add to the attitude. Along with a 3.5-gallon peanut tank, there's nothing subtle about the exhaust system, with 2 brazen mufflers handling the spent high test. When we tested the Fat Bob 114, we found out just how tough it is. The 2023 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 puts this all together for less than $20,000 for the vivid black version, even after including the $750 surcharge. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.